In the heart of Ireland's wild countryside, where the mist clings gently to the hills, a quiet presence stirs beside the forest. Here, among the moss-covered trees and emerald meadows, roam the deer, silent, graceful, and deeply connected to this ancient land. Ireland's forests, like Killarney and Glenveigh, are a living tapestry of oak, birch, and hazel, home to generations of wildlife and steeped in history. These woodlands whisper tales of Celtic myths and sacred groves where nature and spirit intertwine. The deer move slowly, cautiously, their slender legs stepping across roots and heather. In their stillness, they mirror the calm of the Irish landscape, a place of rugged beauty shaped by wind, rain, and time. Just beyond the trees, stone walls trace the outlines of old farmsteads, and ancient paths wind toward villages where music, storytelling, and tradition thrive. Irish culture is rooted in the land, deeply respectful of nature, rich with folklore, and alive with a sense of belonging. As the sun breaks through the clouds, the forest glows gold, and the deer lift their heads to the warmth. It's a fleeting moment, but in it we see the soul of Ireland, quiet, resilient, beautiful. Here in the silence of the woods and the watchful eyes of the deer, Ireland speaks, not in words, but in wind, light, and living tradition. A timeless connection between people, land, and the wild.